Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm with Llama Bear. And it is my birthday, and we are decorating my den. So let's get on with this little. Oh no. Oh no! Okay, so what we're gonna do is cover do this area first. Oh, no, no, no. I like how Okay, guys, just ignore Llama Bear right now. I'll leave her channel down below, and I will live stream soon. What you done? You barely know who anyone is these days. It's funny. Are you trying to say that you have no friends? You have friends. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not being mean to her. We're actually, we're joking around, just so, in case you think we're bullying each other. Yeah, and everyone, it's my birthday, and I'm 40. No, 40? 14. I'm 14 years old, aka 4 years old. Oh no, I moved it! Wow, wow, really? You told me that you were dating her. I got rejected by Alexa yesterday. You do realise I spoke to Alexa to see if she would like date me, and then she said no, I like you as a friend. I, that's to tell people that they're like really beautiful and support them no matter what. Oh my god, stop being so insecure. Hashtag triggered slash copycat. Just ask Calboo. Fine. I will find her and ask her. I'm like, I'm not his friend. Are you gay? Amy. I'll find all the Amy's. They're still Facebook. Oh. Okay, she's probably following you. This is a serious matter of bullying right now. Stop bullying me. You're upsetting me. I will go through until you find out which one. I'll go through them all. Oh, for God's sake. Are you following her? Oh, you have a sad life. Oh, okay. By the way, I'm sorting out like Mr. Kemble right now. Also, I don't really use Loving Surprise. I use it for like Forgotten Desert, so there'll be like look me using Loving Surprise, which is also my account, controlled by Llama Bear's email, and then my email with Mr. Kimball, and we're trying to recover the password right now because I forgot it because I'm a silly little Willy. No! I'm decorating my den right now. So, by the looks of it, we have more time. You might want to speed it up or something like that. That was just random. That was just like out of the random. That was like not expected whatsoever. In the middle of like decorating a den. I hope Elsa's gay. What would Anna think? Yeah, she probably is because I've seen a picture of her kissing a woman. Was that a spoiler alert? So, yeah, she's like. Is she actually? Okay, I kind of want to annoy you right now with something that you're gonna hate me. Oh no, I was laughing. They had a row and she like burned her castle. Let it go, let it go. I'm the one with the wind and sky. You're gonna wish you never said that now, aren't you? No! I'm not gay. I don't know if I am yet, but I support it. I thought. A huff post is where you see a post and then you huff about it. Oh yeah. Buzz! Buzz Lightyear! Buzz! What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This has just got like 10 times worse. What? When you try your best. I wonder if she'll. I wonder if she'll see my story. We can do. Oh, I just love how you can casually hear your pattern's ready in the video. Oh, by the way, she's a little bit lazy. Let's get some two lovebirds. By the way, I'm okay. I will shut up. Okay, we're doing the outside right now, but you know, this is actually really nice for me. I'm not that good at doing dens. Because even Alana knows that I'm not good at doing dens. No, I used to be really bad, and then like overnight I just improved, didn't I?
You upgraded.
Overnight, yeah. Okay, I've got two flamingos like Romeo and Juliet. Nomeo, I mean. Nomeo and Juliet, the known version of Romeo and Juliet.
We're not 14 minutes, unless you got the full version then. Congrats, girl.
So, guys, we have just about the video's like got a bit long now, so you know. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And there's gonna be a bit of a video spam. Peace out, y'all.